Right. Where do I start? I've vowed and declared that I was never ever going to buy another Subaru after the dramas I had with mine. 3 engines. Anyway, decided to get Aimee a new Subaru. Just got her P plates. And we drove to Howrah, collected this car, which I'm about to show you. But unfortunately, we only made it 5 kilometres before it did a timing belt. Unfortunately, it snapped. Aimee was driving with her P plates up and she pulled over onto the side of the highway, and we got a tow truck and got the car towed home. Yeah. Over the last couple of days we pulled the engine out and we discovered, obviously, broken timing belt. The valves have just touched the pistons, unfortunately. If I can turn it over. And then over the other side. All in all, everything looks pretty good, other than the heads. Sorry, the valves are all bent like a banana. Oh. So we had the legend T-Man from PT Motorsport drop in, quickly made up this adapter, which we used in the drill press to then remove all of our valves. They are just wrecked. Don't need to get them all out, you get the idea. They are all bent like a banana. Good news is though, T-Man put his engineer's level on this. Engineering bar? What are they called? Straight edge? Engineering straight edge. And measured how flat the block was. And we couldn't get a 1 thou feeler gauge anywhere underneath it, diagonally or across. So the theory is we're just going to tidy this up, tidy up the heads, lap in the valves, we'll reassemble, and away we go. Over and all, look at this thing. Sorry about the mess. This Forester, 2009. It's actually a good thing. It's got a couple of little marks on it. But in reality, it's a perfect first car for Aimee and her Ps. It's a one-owner car, essentially. A lady bought it in 2009, brand new, and then her daughter started driving it. And we are essentially the second owners. It does have a lot of Ks on it. The engine has 290,000 Ks on it. But all in all, it's a bloody good thing. Very, very nice. They were very upfront and said the timing belt needs doing. It was last done at 142,000. So it had had an extra 150,000 on it. And we were fully aware when we bought it that it was going to need a timing belt. We just weren't expecting it to break 5 kilometres after we picked it up. A real shame, actually.